can see the fractures in the tree now. I don't know. It's scary because when you cut into this, when you cut from the backside, this could barber chair right up on you. So I'm gonna strap it. Hopefully it holds. Well, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. I'm not doing it aerial. I'm staying on the ground so I can run like shit. Okay, it's on the ground. Oh boy, that was scary. Anyway, it's down and it's safe. Now I'll slice and dice it and get it done. It's amazing how much of the canopy opened up, eh? Wow.
I never really